wanted it. It's here. Gico Spice is back. Wow, it's great to really be back. I'm so pumped to be making this video. What's up guys, Gico Spice here, back with another video today. And in this video today, I'm unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. So I'm super pumped to be making this video for you guys. I know it's been like 6 months, but I'm back at it now and I'm super pumped to be making this video for you guys. So without further ado, let's make this super quick and easy video. So we got the iPhone 11 Pro Max case. Like I already said, it's all leather. It's called nice genuine leather. Pretty self-explanatory. Simple, easy, basic. It's a leather case. You can't get any easier and self-explanatory than that. Super pumped to be making this video once again. Making it just a little side video. This video is short. It's just a quick video to introduce all the new viewers to my channel. But all of the previous viewers that have been watching my channel, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's go. Oh, pops right on open. Oh, cool. So it grips right on to the area that is inside the case. I love how soft this is on the back. An engraving of the iPhone in this, cushion-ish material on the back, designed by Apple in California. And this is the black version, by the way, if you didn't catch on to that. But it's pretty cool. This is a pretty big gap right there. That's obviously for the camera. Pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, it's got these little metal buttons on the side. That brings up the reliability of it. Also, again, this video is not sponsored by Apple. It's actually coming out of my own pocket. But for me to give you guys these videos, I gotta go out and spend stuff. But for your guys' enjoyment, it makes me feel good. So thank you. Pretty self-explanatory. Just an iPhone 11 Pro Max case, but yeah, all leather, natural leather is what they're calling it, but yeah, that's all. Thank you guys very much. I'm Gico Spice, if you haven't heard who I am. 16 years old, and yeah, I love making videos, unboxing videos for you guys, so thank you guys very much. See you guys in the next video. Peace.